Feeling each other out, finding the leaping left hook from AJ onto the right hand over the top for AJ. Left uppercut for AJ. AJ starting to unload here a little. With a left right hand lands again. Yeah, coming in for AJ. Big right hook from AJ. Put him down.
Bago matapos ang taong 2023 ay muling nagpakitang gilas pa itong young prospect ng Philippine boxing, ang tubong Cebu, ang binansagang The Sniper na si Arbenjan Pasiones o mas kilala bilang AJ. 18 anyos pa lang, pero kung gumalaw ay tila veterano na sa basagan ng mukha. May kasalukuyang undefeated na kartada na 7 wins, 0 loss, 4 via knockout. Kasalukuyang nanirahan ngayon sa bansang Vietnam at doon na din nagsanay. Marami agad ang nakapansin sa galawan ng batang Pinoy. Ang iba ay sinasabing malakurupor daw, ang iba naman ay may pagka-Devin Haney daw at may halong bots Ennis. Taong 2022 pa lang pumasok bilang professional boxer itong si AJ Pasiones. 3 beses lumaban sa nasabing taon, 2 tinumba at 1 lang ang umabot sa desisyon. Taong 2023 naman, 4 na beses na lumaban, 2 desisyon at 2 ang tinumba. At bago magtapos ang taong 2023 ay humirit pa ito ng isa. December 28 ang huling laban ni AJ Pasiones. Nakaharap niya dito ang 21 anyos na taga Thailand. Ito ay si Kitidich Hironsok. May pagkamaangas kung lumaban. Nagpakita pa ito ng kahambugan porket sa baluarte niya ginanap ang nasabing bakbakan sa Space Plus, Bangkok, Thailand. Pero di umubra ang angas ng kalaban sa bagong angas ng Cebu ngayon na si AJ Pasiones. Sinayawan, tinawanan, dinilaan at pinabagsak pa ni kabayan itong pambato ng bansang Thailand.
And for AJ. Oh, big right hook from AJ!
Ating balikan ang labang AJ Pasiones kontra Kitidich Hironsok.
AJ, the Filipino fighter in the red gloves. With the jab to the body, but a stiff jab to the body from AJ there. AJ go. This is AJ Pasiones' first title defense of his WBA Asia belt. Utilizing a nice Philly shell there, evading the punches from AJ. Redek in the Philly shell, waiting for a counter, but adds a left hand to the body. Throws another left hand to the body. Both these men weighing in at 100. Using the well to move to the outside. Ooh, beautiful head movement, but being caught with a right uppercut from AJ. Trying to get a reaction from Redek. Redek, ooh, beautiful head movement from Redek. Very back and forth action so far in this first round. AJ Pasiones in the red gloves in the red corner. Kitidich Hironsok from Thailand in the blue corner, white gloves. Feeling each other out, finding range. Leaping left hook from AJ onto the guard of Redek. Right hand from AJ lands on the counter. He now switches stance as well. Ooh, right hand lands for Redek. The Thai audience really getting behind their top. Feinting. Ooh, right hand just missing. These boys are swinging. Left hand to the body from Redek. It's using his jab as well. Oh, big left hook there from AJ. Right hand over the top for AJ, landing on the shoulder. Left uppercut for AJ. AJ starting to unload it here a little bit. Oh! It's controlling the time, controlling distance. Right hook to the body from AJ. Oh, exchange of punches from both of these fighters in the last 10 seconds of the fight. Oh. Redek going into orthodox. That right hand landing right on the chest of Redek. Oh, beautiful counter work from both these fighters. AJ trying to find something here. Lands a right hook to the body. Redek needs to have a little more offense. Left hook and a right hand lands Redek. Right hand misses from AJ. Oh, and a right uppercut lands from AJ. Oh, right hand lands for AJ. Back in the Philly shell. Trying to land some offense of his own. Oh, that was a big left hand counter. Okay. From both these fighters. Oh, exchange of hooks from both fighters. Right hand misses. Oh, trying to land some clean shots. Ooh, right hand miss. Left jab coming in for AJ. Oh, big right hook from AJ. Putting down his Thai opponent. Again, let's see what AJ does. Oh, big left uppercut from AJ's coming in. These boys are trying to train here. AJ needs to be careful though. He can't overswing here. A left hand of his own. And a left hand from Kiradek lands as well. Oh, big left hand from Kiradek. Right hand to the body from AJ. Left uppercut lands very well for. Oh, right hand counter over the top from AJ, and he comes in with a. Right hook to the body from AJ. Right cross. Ooh, beautiful footwork there from AJ. Wow. Right hook from AJ lands. Body from AJ. Right hand over the top on the guard of Kiradek. A body from Kiradek. And goes back again. Now he starts working the body. Talking to each other in there. Ooh, exchange of leather. AJ feinted, landing a right hand, and a beautiful slip off. Kiradek turning up, throwing hooks to the body, but landing on the guard of AJ. Oh, great left straight to the body from AJ. Followed by a jumping right hook to the body. AJ just missing. Ooh, good right uppercut counter. AJ using that jab to find distance, and a right uppercut to the body from AJ. Kiradek seems unbothered by it. Oh, big right hand from AJ as Kiradek was coming in. That's gotta hurt. In the range, both fighters down in the orthodox stance. Left hook to the body followed by a right cross by Kiradek. That left hook. Oh, big right jumping. Kiradek coming in with a jab of his own. Ooh. Going back into the head with a jab, Kiradek. Big left overhand from AJ. Lots of feinting going on here. AJ feinting. Ooh, big right hook to the body. Being countered with a left hook to the head from Kiradek. Right overhand hook lands for Kiradek. Kiradek now trying to open up. They're changing there on the ropes. AJ keeping his guard up high. Right body hook. Very tactical fight so far. Very evenly matched. Kiradek coming back in. Kiradek chasing AJ. Oh, left hook lands for Kiradek. Kiradek now pouring it on. Oh, left uppercut by AJ lands. And a left cross to the body by AJ. A right uppercut counter followed by a right cross to the body. And a right cross to the head, AJ. Oh, big left hook there for AJ. AJ throwing the right hand to the body. Just missing the guard. Oh, but that right hand hit. AJ doing a little bit of showboating here. Jumping right hook from AJ. But Kiradek coming back in on his own, trying to land some weapons of his own. Kiradek with a three-punch combination. And a right hook to the body. Kiradek pressuring forward. Left hook to the head. Lands with a right hand. Right hook to the body by AJ. Followed by a short left uppercut to the head. And stepping back, trying to find a counter. Right hand lands. Another right hand lands for AJ. Kiradek trying to land his left hand. Oh, big right hand lands for AJ. But Right hand just missing for AJ. Oh, right uppercut counter by AJ as he steps back. Beautiful timing from the Filipino fighter. Kididek. Oh, pressuring forward, gets caught with uppercut, but just eats it. Left hook to the body, followed by a left hook to the head from Kididek. 10 seconds to go in this 9th round. Right hand misses for AJ. And that will do it. Kididek coming in with a left hook, right cross, but landing on from AJ. Jumping left hook from Kididek. Gets countered by a right cross from AJ. AJ finding the right cross yet at the same time. Right hand lands for AJ. Straight down the pipe. Exchange of left hooks. Kididek trying to land some heavy power shots here. Right, jumping right hook. Using his body to turn, evade punches. Right uppercut counter again from AJ. Get to deck. Oh, eating a left body hook. It's mean. Oh, and going back down to the body is AJ. Again to the body, but getting countered to the head by Riddick. AJ lands. A right hook to the body lands for AJ. And that will do it now. Right hand to the body again for AJ. Good job stepping out afterwards. Good right hand counter by AJ. Right hand over the top, missing from AJ. Left hook for... Oh, big check left hook from AJ as Kididek comes in. With a left hand. Right hand from AJ lands again. Oh, these boys are loving it. It's great to see. Oh, big left hook counter by Kididek. Another big left hook counter by Kididek. Beautiful footwork there by the Filipino fighter. AJ with a triple jab, quadruple jab, missing. Oh, big left body hook by AJ. Kididek just eating it. Starting to trade on the road. Oh, exchange of hands from both fighters. From Kididek. An exchange of, oh, and a quick slip. The ref counted it as a slip. Kididek pressuring forward now. Right hand lands Kididek, but he gets countered with a left hand from AJ as well. WBA Asia Light Flyweight title is up for grabs. Left hook from Kididek, missing the mark. AJ doing well. Head wrestling there. Oh, big left hook lands for Kididek. Right here from Kididek. Beautiful footwork. Good job pivoting by AJ. Oh, right uppercut from AJ. The crowd getting behind it, the Thai fighter. AJ, beautiful footwork. 10 seconds left here. Oh, wow. What a...
And still, the WBA Asia Light Flyweight Champion,